going too fast. Slow down.
Okay.
But it's pretty good though. I mean, not too bad. I mean, look at how shitty mine are. Yeah, slow down. Slow way down.
Okay.
Start. Give it a little trigger. All right.
And then do it again?
Yeah, go over the same spot. Go way slower. Way, way slower. Give it gas and pull it. There you go.
Oh.
Slow down. I don't know, I'm not even looking, but I can just, I don't know.
Oh.
What?
I have.
Got too much coming out?
Yeah.
Slow down. Small circles. Let's see, you're moving way up. I mean, I told you to go way down here. Not bad, bro. Shoot. Not bad at all.
You want me to go down there? Or?
Yeah, now just keep working, do all this. Do it from here to there. Well, look. Yeah, go ahead and do that. I'll go in between there and snag them.
So just go down.
Go down.
Dang it, I did it again.
What?
I put too much wire out. I don't know how I did it.
Good, you pull the trigger. Good gas. Pull the trigger all the way. Let's see. Dang, dude.
Am I doing good?
That's like, hold on, I'll move the camera for that.
Is that good?
Dang, look at Caleb's weld. Look at that thing. That's pretty nice. Look at his first one, not too bad. Look at my crappy ass welds.
Hey, it's good.
Yeah, it's gonna work. We just need to weld this together. Dang, that is really good weld though.
Thank you.
I don't know who's not impressed, but I sure as hell am. All right. You set her down. Dang, bro. Good freaking job. You might have to take welding class, dude. I mean, that is smoking good, I think. I don't know. I'm not a welder, but, well, I mean, it looks freaking fabulous. Thank you, broski. Now, if you go inside and look up welding, and then look at your welds, looks pretty damn good, bro.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. pretty damn good. He done it one time before on the other side. Got a nice blow up right there. I'm not sure what that is, but yep. Give it a little sand job. Bet you won't even be able to tell it's so crappy. Well, you'll probably be able to tell, but alright, well, I'll be back. Alright, I guess it's time to get sunglasses that got my glasses in there, because this definitely helps a lot better. It's kind of funky though, but it's nice to be able to see, I guess. Wanna do this part too? Ow! It's hot. Shout, that's hot. Burn myself. See, not too bad for a couple beginners. This was definitely the beginner side. This is where I started screwing around. It was pretty bad up here, but it's connected. And then this is the other side that just me and Caleb did. Ow! Shit, that's twice I burned myself. It's hot. It's hot after you grind it. Don't forget, Caleb.
Okay.
So, yeah. Pretty nasty looking around. That's where I just burned myself. And then, this is the side. Oh, I missed a whole spot. This is the side that we did better on. Sure, it still looks bad, but I did it ourselves. Didn't cost us anything but a couple old trampoline parts. And yes, all this is for a reason. I'm making a bracket for the duct end. So I'll be back. I'll show you all the different times I tried to weld something together and finally got this together. Alright, before I paint, I want to show you guys what I've done. So I needed some metal, and I just figured I'd find some from around the yard. So first I tried to flatten out a golf club, but that's too thin. And so that wasn't gonna work. Wasn't gonna give me no support. Then I found this rod in the yard, and well, it's just too thin, because every time I touch the welder on it, it would just burn a big old hole in it. So then I got some round metal, came off the trampoline when I had the net around it, and I just welded those together to make it a little bit thicker. Probably a little overkill, but overkill means I won't have to do it again. Then I made these little brackets right here. I welded them together. I mean, they're not the best welds, but I guarantee it's gonna hold and it ain't gonna break. I'll get better as the welding projects go on, but until then, I'm gonna paint them black, and then I will show you the final product. All right.